A friend of mine asked me to discuss some of the frames that I make for some of the antique handguns I have, so I thought I would do a quick video for her on that today. So if you have any interest in that, stay tuned. So today I just want to talk about some options that I've come up with for displaying any antique handguns or non-firing replicas as just another way to enjoy your collection. And that's what it's all about for me, is I have many different items that I don't shoot often, and some of these not at all. And I would like to be able to have them out and to see them and to really enjoy them. And so that forced me sort of into a position where I needed to come up with something that could help me display them and also protect them at the same time. And so that's when I came up with taking one of these shadow boxes and just adopting it to my personal needs. Now, sorry about the glare, but this is one of the first ones that I ever made. So what I did was inlet the back, put some wall hooks on here that I covered in electrical heat shrink just to keep it from being metal on metal. But as you can see, this will fit perfectly well. Gravity holds it in place. And I can take this box, I can turn it and shake it and move it around. So this can set on a shelf, or in this particular case, I mounted a wire in the back, and this hangs as a part of a collage on my wall. And again, I can take it out for easy cleaning and demonstration of functionality. So those were the key things for me, was to be able to have access to them and to be able to enjoy them. And now when I come home, I can see them on the wall or on the bookshelf or wherever it is, and it just makes me happy. So say you have a German centerfire revolver or an Augustus Francot folding trigger boot pistol, or perhaps you have a Pinfire La Fouché revolver, right? Beautifully engraved, such as this one. It deserves to be out on display, mainly so that you can enjoy it. That's the whole thing for me, is finding other ways to enjoy the items that I have. Now, you can take anything and you can lay it flat and gravity will take care of it and it'll stay in place. But the issue is, when you want to hang this on your wall, you need it to stay in that orientation. So essentially what I do with these is I take a standard shadow box and I remove the backing, and then I put in some wall hanging hooks here that fit the width of the firearm so that it can be hung on a wall or set on a bookshelf for display purposes. And I want these to be able to open so that I can get in there and clean them, but also so that I can get in and demonstrate how each particular firearm works. In this case, it has folding triggers for a double-barreled boot pistol. Has a unique safety there on the top, which is pretty cool. So I want to be able to get in there and show functionality and also just enjoy them. And, you know, cleaning as well. It makes that really simple to do this once a month, go through and pull all these out and wipe them down. So here we have a couple others. I have this percussion cap boot pistol as well. And this is just a German 7mm pinfire, and this is a La Fouché 12mm pinfire with the bone grips. Of course, this guy has to get the backing inlet a little bit to make room for that cleaning rod, and just to make sure that the enclosure will fit all the way. But I do think this looks really nice and much better than just sitting in the safe. This one is one of the first ones I ever did, and it can be improved upon for sure, but it's still very interesting, and I really like these so much. You can take them out and show them, clean them, have fun with them. For me, it's just about having these out on the bookshelf or in a collage on the wall that helps you really appreciate and enjoy them, rather than just sitting in the closet somewhere. So hopefully this might help some of you. And so I think that all of these items really deserve a better place and position in the home, position of display, so that you can really enjoy these. With a lot of the antique guns, I'm not going to get out there and shoot them a lot. Some of these, not at all. So again, this is just another option for those of you who enjoy collecting the antique firearms, or maybe even firearms that are missing parts and non-functional, you can always display them nice. And it's nice to have them around and be able to see them rather than just in your safe or tucked away somewhere. So this is for the person who was asking me about the antique display boxes. Just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps you out. If you guys would like some detailed instructions, I'd be glad to go ahead and put that up for you at some time. So as always, I want to say thank you for watching. Till next time, keep your finger off the trigger, and we'll see you later.